So I want to show you the power of American law reports, and I mean they are powerful. If you find one on point, it can solve everything. I gave my students recently a brief to write, and it was about the right to counsel and what is an invocation of that right to counsel. Like if somebody says, maybe I'd like to talk to my attorney, or I'd like to talk to a legal advisor, is that enough? Things like that. First, let's go to the American law reports. Of the three ways to search, there is not a table of contents in Westlaw or Lexis for that. So you really need to use the index or the search bar. So we're going to use the search bar because Lexis doesn't like indexes. So in the search bar, I'm just going to put the right to counsel. And then we get all kinds of things. This one here, this had all of the answers. This basically wrote the brief for my students. What constitutes assertion of right? So these things are amazing because they collect hundreds and thousands of cases on the one topic, all from different jurisdictions. Okay, so that was the search bar. That pretty straightforward. The index can be very helpful too if you're not exactly sure what you're looking for. So I had to switch to Westlaw because Lexis doesn't have an index. And in the index here, I did several different searches. Again, I did Control F because I'm on a PC here. And I looked for counsel, defense counsel, and right to counsel. And every single one of those, the index entry told me, look at attorneys, keyword attorneys. So now I know, after doing that several times, now I know to go right to attorneys. And now I'll do another search on the screen for right to counsel. And I already did this, so I know I had to go through some of these here, but this is the best one right here. What constitutes assertion of right to counsel following Miranda warnings? And that's the same ALR we looked at in Lexis. So here's an example. It shows you all the different law and what sections it's in, and it organizes. If you're looking for Supreme Court cases, here they are. If you're looking for First Circuit, Second Circuit, Fourth, Fifth, you name it. So you can quickly find binding authority in your jurisdiction. The problem is there's too much information here, so you would really do this only if you don't find a treatise or an encyclopedia on point. So anyway, there's the beauty of American law reports.